and frequency. And reach and frequency are two major aspects in establishing our media objectives. And reach frequency and TRP are critical for deciding on our market coverage. So first we'll understand the terminology reach or gross rating point. So what is gross rating point or GRP? So GRP equals to, it means gross rating points, and it is measured by reach and frequency. So what is reach? It is the measure that combines the program rating and average number of times the whom is reached during this period. Okay. And another is target rating point. So this is gross rating point is GRP, and GRP is the combination of rating and average number of times the whom is reached. That means GRP is a measure. GRP is measured by reach and frequency. Okay. And what is TRP? TRP, it refers to the number of people in the primary target audience the media buy will reach and the number of times. So TRP talks about how many people of our target audience are reached and how many times. But GRP is basically measures how many people are exposed and how many times. They may not be from our target audience. So these are the basic differences between GRP and TRP. Okay. And now we'll go to the next slide and we'll try to understand that reach and frequency. So what is reach? Reach is the number of people exposed to the particular ad for once. That reach is measured. Reach means how many people have seen the ad for once. Okay. And what is frequency? Frequency is the number of times a particular individual is exposed to a particular ad or message. Okay. So total market audience reach. So now you can see reach of one program. So it indicates the reach, and this reach of the two programs, like through one program reach is there and through another program reach is there, and this is a common section. Means these are the people who have seen the two programs. Okay. And duplicate reach, that is both, this intersection point gives us our duplicate reach. Okay. And then TRP. Now we'll go to the TRP. What is TRP? TRP is the targeted rating points adjusted the GRP calculation so it more accurately reflects the percentage of the target audience watching the program. So TRP measures how many people from the target audience have seen the ad, thus reducing the waste coverage. So why do we calculate TRP? TRP is calculated to reduce our waste coverage. Okay. So now here, this is an example calculating TRP, GRP plan A. Like, so here, is a program survivor HH rating is 6 and targeted rating is 3. Insertion is 8. So 8 into 3, number of 3 is the reach. Okay. And 8 is the frequency. Now GRP is calculated by 24. Now this is another program lost. That means HH rating is 7 and targeted rating point, that means targeted rating is TRP is 3. That means 3 people from our target audience, they have seen the ad, and there are 8 times they are exposed to the ad. So GRP is 24. Okay. So how do we calculate TRP? So when we calculate, measure the number of people out of target audience have seen the ad, so that would reflect our TRP. Let's say here American Idol, and in the case of American Idol, targeted rating point TRP is 1. That means 1 from our target audience have seen the ad. Okay. And 8 times. And so GRP is given by reach and frequency, and reach into frequency will give us 8. So now you can see with the help of this data, the network of TRP, a daily television household. So one network household A, household B watches second network, and household C third networks, and these are the percentage of reach. Okay.